discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Say what? Want to hear it?
Yeah.
Come down 2 subs.
Really?
Yeah.
Put the windows up real quick. So could you tell me your name and what's in here? And you said you were down some subs?
I'm down 2 subs right now.
Oh,
yeah,
no.
It happens. Cigar Joe is my name.
Okay.
8 DC Audio L615s.
Nice.
Did the light turn off on you?
No, you're good, man.
Let's do that.
That looks really good.
Thank you.
Did you build this?
I did.
Very nice.
I did.
It's a 4th order?
It is.
Okay.
It is.
Do you know your cubic space and tuning and all?
14 on the seals.
Okay.
Yeah. The light's about 26 to 44, and that's about it.
It'll fall off below that, and
Yeah, it falls off below and above it.
Yes, sir.
But it eats up subs anywhere above it or below it, so
Yeah.
bad habit.
What is your amplifier, battery, electrical?
So I got 2 Crescendo 17Ks in the back, 2 limitless lithium 100s. I have 4 MechMen alternators in the front, 3 are 400s, and 1 is a 370.
Looks good. And which subs are actually bad right now?
This one and that one.
Okay. So did you have to disconnect them, or?
No, they're still hooked up. They're still hooked up. So it kind of it misses notes terribly right now, but it still hits pretty good for what we got.
Yeah. All right. What's the difference you can tell losing those 2 subs? Is your impedance changing a little bit
Big
too?
Big time. It won't hold the note.
It won't?
It won't hold the same note. And it's probably down about 10, 12 dBs.
Really?
Really. It holds 64, 66, somewhere around there normally. I'm in the low 50s right now.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Thank you very much for the demo. I'm going to go look at the back too.
Help yourself.
Yep.
If you open the back doors, that looks really good.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man, if you're demoing.
I will happily just turn it on either way.
Okay. Just don't blow anymore.
Broke or not, I don't care.
Looks really good. And you got a nice roof bracing in here.
Yeah.
That is
3
solid.
layers there. I went through 3 windshields and I decided it was time to go ahead and do it. You know?
Yeah.
So I'm not sure what's playing. Let's see. I'm not sure what's playing.
Do this shit with my eye color fresh, yeah. No, this fucking slim.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.